welcome box from Walmart. Who doesn't love free things? I think. Well, if you don't like free things,
Hi team, hi guys. Welcome to Awentis channel. Of course, my name is Awentis. And today what are we going to look at? Today we're going to look at how to create a baby registry with the store Walmart. What is a baby registry? A baby registry is a list of items an expecting mother, or let me not be biased to mothers, expecting parents would like to have on their baby shower or before baby arrives. So you create a baby registry with a store. Today we're going to look specifically with Walmart. And baby registries help friends to be less stressful, because it's stressful for your friend to get you a gift like he or she doesn't know what the expecting parents have already bought. So baby registries help with that. If you're new to this channel, welcome, bienvenue, yakin kin Winter's channel. Let's go straight to the computer.
so we'll come to Walmart.com, and if you don't have an account with Walmart, this is where you create one. So you click on create, write your first name, your last name, your email, and create a password. Then you click create. That's how to create an account with the store Walmart. But since I do have an account, so I will click on sign in and put in my credentials. Okay, I don't want to be signed in on this computer. Then I click the sign in. And it brings me to my home page. So you can go to services and registries, list and gifts, and baby registry. You can go through this process, it will take you to the same place, or you just type baby registry on the search button here, and it brings us to the same page. And I'd like to introduce to you all something people don't talk about, or most people don't know, and that is the free welcome kit from the store Walmart. I would put in a video on a free welcome kit I had from them, and this is where you take it. But let's just jump straight to how to create the baby registry with the store Walmart. So we come here and click create a registry, and we type the first name, Awinted, the last name, AZ. This is where you write the mother's name. Excuse me, I'm a lady, so I'm biased towards mothers. So you can write the husband's name first there, but I write my name here. So the mother's name, you write the father's name if you want him to be on the registry, or you just want it to be you. You can create it. So that would be the first one. Would be if you want it to be only your name, but if you want your spouse, you put the spouse's name here. And this is where you click the gender of the baby. If you want people to know the gender you are expecting, boy, girl. But if you don't want to share, you have the option there. That's the surprise. So let's go with surprise. And they are asking the date you're expecting the baby, your bundle of joy. So let's just, since we're doing a tutorial, let's just get let's do July 2nd. I don't know why July 2nd, but let's just do July 2nd, and we click the continue. And this is where you add your address. So you click on address, and you put your name and the address and all that. But for the sake of this video, I'll just go with this one. Then you continue. And here they're asking, do you want the registry to be public, like searchable, anyone can just go in there, or you want it to be private, you just send it to your family and friends you want to have those. I recommend private, so we just click private. But if you are the one who, if you don't mind, you want it searchable, you can go with the public. But let's go with private. Then there we go. We create our registry, and here we are. So because my name was there, it comes as Awintis' baby registry. But if you add your husband, it would be Awintis and Mr. Lucky. Yeah, the baby registry. So here we are. We have our baby registry done. I'll create another video on how to add the list of items to baby registry. But this video is how to create a registry. So you have here share. So this is the link you can copy and share to your friends on WhatsApp, share to your friends. So how do you find the registry you created? You go to here. Come on. Okay. You click here and then purchase history. And you scroll down. Here we are, we have registries, and then we are here. So this is where you click and then you continue adding. You start adding the gifts you want to receive. So, and let's go to the free box or welcome kit I spoke about. And Walmart is one of the baby registries I'll recommend because Walmart's welcome kit was really good. I'll put another video showing you the welcome kit from Walmart. So let's go to how to get the welcome kit. We'll type baby registry on the search again to take us to where we came from or where we started. And we come here, free welcome box from Walmart. Who doesn't love free things? I think. Well, if you don't like free things, let me know in the comments. Alright, so we click on this and it brings us here. All you do is the baby registry share link, what I copied to share with friends is where you put here. So I paste it here and you put your first name, Awintis, your last name, AZ, and the due date your bundle of joy is arriving. I think I chose July 2nd, yes, 2nd, 2020. Then you put in your email, your street address. This is the address they are going to ship to. Yes, so you put that address here, your zip code, and then you click get started. That is it. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. Stay safe. Bye bye.